Hello friends, today I am going to teach you with a dust of a pencil which we are going to throw it, that one we are going to use it. Here you can see a graphite pencil. Now here this is a sharpener. I am going to sharpen it little bit and removing my graphite dirt, putting on a sketch paper. Same thing here. Removing a pencil, again putting my dirt on my paper. It's here. Again, few more dirt, I'm going to use it. Here you can see a few dirt of a pencil, graphite lead, dust. I'm going to shade it with this. Here, take your hand, rub it on your paper. Here I am rubbing on my paper, so you will get it a dark toning here. If you want to use your handkerchief or a cotton, that is also fine, but I like to use my hand so I can get it of good textures on my paper. Even also you can use it Dr. Cotton. Here I rubbed it. You can see my hands. Now here I'm going to use it my pencil for showing the dark tone. Here I'm going to make it a shading with a reflection. It's here a land which is having both the sides, using a dark tone. Now here I'm going to use it eraser, a dark toning. For showing the tree. Now I'm going to make it one sun. Which is going down. Same thing here. Here. Now I'm going to make it a border of my tree, which is going upside too. I'm going to show a reflection. If you want to show some dry trees, you can show it inside. Same thing here. few branches, dry branches. Now here again using eraser for showing the water. Here what is done, and a few lines with the pencil. Few birds flying in air, and two pair of duck in the water. Here you can see my drawing that I made it, my drawing with the maximum with the using of eraser. Even also you can make it sky too by giving few strokes of eraser. Again few birds. If you want to show some grass, giving a strokes or the both the side as a reflection. Here my drawing is done. Thank you friends.